can't go out in this crap. Been like antsy to take this damn boat out for so long, but look at the strange water. Look at this. Look. Full moon. The full moon is making some really high tides come in and flooding our yard. Hey, getting wet! My poor dinghy floating around, bobbing around. See this crap? We've been waiting for days to be able to take the boat out, and this is like the 10th day in a row now, pretty much, where it's just crazy like this. So I take the dinghy out for a ride, and it dies on me. I'm pulling it and pulling it, pulling it. It's not starting. See? It's not starting. It's getting late. See this? The sun has left me. The sun is gone. Storms are coming. Storms are coming to get me. It's windy as shit. The waves are beating the crap out of me. Breaking. See the waves? At least the water's warm. The water's not really nice. So, wish me luck. Alright, I got the motor running. I figured out what was wrong. The freaking fuel line was pinched under the gas tank. It keeps completely shutting off fuel. So now watch this. Woo! It runs! Alright. Where you going, Leia? You might be wondering, why is Leia's life jacket on? Well, after weeks and months and years of liberation, it is finally a nice day outside, and it step into the goop. Ew, ew, ew. Alright, Leia. You. There I go. Okay, this is almost deep enough water.
I have a boo-boo.
Come on, see, once we get right there, we'll go fast. So where do you want to go? Chinaman's Hat or the sandbar?
Oh, I thought we were going to the sandbar.
Sandbar it is. You got a hat?
Guess you didn't see that reef coming? Whoa. 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 Look, there's the reef. We didn't see that coming.
Oh.
What's that? What's that? No, that's a rock or something. That colored water. Pretty. Does it have a marker? Turtle over there. I see something sticking out of the water. there it is, there it is, there it is in front of us. It's right ahead of us. It's a turtle.
Oh, turtle.
Yeah. Don't run the baby over. Oh, there she is. There she is. Oh, let me quiet her down. She's going under.
It's here.
Like, swimming away.
Is it baby here?
See him swimming that way a little bit?
Oh, down there?
Yeah. Enjoying our Saturday in our backyard. The water's warmer now. You feel it?
I don't know. I
Feel
feel
it.
it's a baby munching on me.
It's just got warmer. Feel it. Feel it. Hurry before the warmness goes away. Feel warm?
Could you pee?
Yeah.
Damn, you made me feel it. I had a gut feeling not to do it, and you made me do it.
I got it from Lana.
Yeah, baby. I'm going away from you.
I hate to see you go, but I love to watch you leave.
So people want to know what we do.
Yeah. Do they?
What do you do all week? How do you pay for this? How that house you have? How is this your backyard? We don't fucking know. We don't fucking know. You can bleep that out.
All right. This little red roof right there. That's our house. Sing it, put some emotion into it. You're putting some boobies into it.
Emotion into what?
Manta rays, where
Oh, like
are you?
I'm Ariel? Like I'm a singing mermaid?